Hello, this is the Wise Owl 2 coming at you from the city where I live. There are many ways to remember the periodic table of elements. One way is to use names. What is your name? What is the name of your pet? Your teacher's name? The fireman? The mailman? Huh? What is the name of the product you have on your table? What is the name? But when it comes to names, you can use them to remember chemical symbols and atomic numbers. And today I'm making this video on using people's name, maybe your own name, who knows, to help you remember chemical symbols and atomic numbers to make it easier for you to retain it in your mind. Okay? For one, you can use the name Baer. Is your name Baer? Your last name Baer? Huh? I know a few people named Baer. Capital B-A-E-R, Baer. Now, if you take the name Baer, capital B and a small a, you got the atomic number of 56. And the chemical symbol, capital B and a small a, that's a chemical symbol, and 56 the atomic number. And we know that the BA, right here, capital BA is for barium. The element's name is barium. Capital B-A-R-I-U-M. Got it? And we got then we got the capital, then we took the small e right here and we turned it into a capital E. And that's and the chemical symbol is capital E and a small r for erbium. Capital E, right here, capital E R B I U M. And the atomic number is 68. 68. You got it? So Baer, the name Baer, if that's your last name, you got it right there. Now some people put B-A-Y-E-R. You know, a Y between the A and the E, just add a Y, and you got the same name Baer. But the Y is 39, and that's the chemical symbol for yttrium. But if we leave it like this, you got Baer, B-A-E-R. Okay, and here's how. So I'm going to. Okay, there you go, right there. See it? Okay. Then you got Casio, capital C-A-S-I-O. Casio, and we got the chemical symbol of capital C and a small a, which is for calcium, the chemical symbol for calcium, and an atomic number of 20, atomic number, and calcium is spelled capital C-A-L-C-I-U-M. You got it? And that's 20. Then we got capital S and a small I. A capital S and a small I is for silicon. That's a chemical symbol for silicon. Silicon is spelled capital S-I-L-I-C-O-N, and that's the chemical symbol of 14. That's the chemical symbol is capital S-I. The atomic number is 14. Excuse me. You got it? Now some people will use S as sulfur for 16, and a capital I for iodine, which is 53. But I don't use it that way. I like to use 2 letters if I can. So capital S and a small I is for silicon, with the atomic number. The atomic number is 14. And then you have a capital O. The chemical symbol of O is for oxygen, and the atomic number is 8. Oxygen is spelled capital O-X-Y-G-E-N. You got it? Then we got the name Geer. Geer. Capital G-E-E-R. So we got the capital G and the small e for germanium. So capital G and the small e is for germanium. Okay? And the atomic number is 32. Okay, 32. And germanium is spelled capital G-E-R-M-A-N-I-U-M. All you gotta do is you get the word, just find the word German, and then I put an I-U-M after the word German. Germanium, capital G-E-R-M-A-N-I-U-M. Then we got the capital E and a small r for erbium, with an atomic number of 68. Is your name Geer? Is your last name Geer? Your first name Geer? And that's capital E. And a small r is the chemical symbol for erbium. Erbium is spelled capital E-R-B-I-U-M. Okay? For Geer. Then we got the name Baker. Is your last name Baker? Maybe you live on Baker Street. Maybe you know a person named Baker. Mr. Baker, the candlestick maker. Who knows? Capital B-A-K-E-R. Capital B and A is 56 atomic number. Ba is the chemical symbol for barium. Barium is spelled capital B-A-R-I-U-M. Then we got the K, the chemical symbol K for potassium with the atomic number of 19. Barium is 56, the atomic number, and K for capital K for potassium is 19 atomic number, and that's spelled capital Potassium. I couldn't spell. I thought it was one S instead of two. For many years, I was very confused. So I decided to. So I found out that if I break the word down, I can spell it better. Pot-S-I-M. I'm a pot-ass. Pot-S-I-M. Oh, you a pot-ass? Nothing personal, but so that way I can know it's two S and not one S. It took me a long time to find out that. I had to break it down. Pot-S-I-M. So don't laugh. It sounds funny, but that's how I remembered it. There's two S's in potassium. Then you got the capital E and a small r for the chemical symbol for erbium with an atomic number of 68. And there you go. Capital E-R-B-I-U-M. I want to try to write this down in the description box below. I just made a video just recently where I forgot to put the description box below, but I updated my video. If you go back to my previous video and you go to the description box, you'll see that I filled in the description box on my previous video. I forgot to put the description box below, right, to fill it in. So I redid it again. All right, updated. Now this one here, I want to try to write down on the description box. Okay, you got Baer 5668. You got Casio 20148. Geer, the capital GE for germanium, erbium. So you got 3268. Baker 56, 19, and 68. Barium, potassium, erbium. You got it? All right, this Wise Out 2 coming at you from the city where I live. Over and out.